Sound and matter. We make our world out of vibrations. They become so concrete in our head that we claim them to be solid or liquid or something tangible. But they are all flickering, unstable, really not to get hold on. Some of us do not know that the world is imagined, made up, and that reality cannot be heard, touched, seen, tasted, or smelled. We, of course, have heard that some men live a material life only, and we might have heard about the split-ups of Ginnungagap. We might know that our gods arrange the sounding Ymir into elements, but that does not guarantee that we really understand the whole thing. All is flawlessly harmonized. The sound of Heimdallur is connected to the memory of Mimir. There is no false tone in the symphony. We should never ever make one which violates the law of nature. We should find the flow and the rhythms of nature, live in tune with her. We shall learn how to grow our food with a perfect sound for every step of growth. That means healthy food, healthy burns, a healthy world, a perfectly sounding world of men. We shall live a life in uninterrupted spiritual progress, success, wealth, and prosperity.